Welcome to IQS Quiz. Today we're playing Guess the Cartoon Character. Let's see how many cartoon characters you can recognize. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to IQS Quiz, and share this challenge with your friends. Now, let's get started. Can you guess this cartoon character? Mickey Mouse. That was a great start. Who is this famous yellow sponge? SpongeBob SquarePants. I hope you got that one right. Can you name this electric little hero? Pikachu! That one was super easy. Who is this tiny mouse who always outsmarts Tom? Jerry! A true classic. Can you guess this super fast blue character? Sonic the Hedgehog. How many have you guessed correctly so far? Who is this adventurous young explorer? Dora! Nice job if you got it. Can you name this lovable little pig? Peppa Pig, you're doing really well. Who is this blue alien with big ears? Stitch! That one was fun. Can you guess this mystery-solving dog? Scooby-Doo! Did you get it right? Who is this funny Disney character? Goofy! You're halfway there. What's your score now? Can you name this clever rabbit? Bugs Bunny. These are getting more challenging now. Who is this famous Disney character? Minnie Mouse. Keep it up. Can you guess this villain with the yellow minions? Gru! That one was interesting. Who is this brave police pup? Chase! Only a few more left. Can you name these 3 superhero girls? The Powerpuff Girls. Don't lose focus now. Who is this mischievous baby? Stewie Griffin. This one's a little trickier. Can you guess this classic comic character? Charlie Brown. How many have you guessed so far? Who is this funny black duck? Daffy Duck. You're almost at the finish line. Can you name the smart mystery solver? Velma Dinkley. That was a tough one. And here's the final challenge. Can you guess this picnic-loving bear? Yogi Bear. Wow, that was so much fun, right? How many did you guess correctly? Comment below and share your score. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more exciting challenges, and check out the next video for even more food fun. Can't wait to see you there.